Is that the smell of fall finally getting here? No, it's still hot, but it's Mailbag Day! Cosplay is about amazing costumes, but so often it's about the basics. This is a wonderful foundation recommended to me by my cosplay partner, Potion. Thank you, Potion! And I was able to get it because of my Patreon supporters. I also was able to get this elf primer, and as my other cosplay partner, Persephone, has told me, not to prime is a crime. And I'll be able to use them with this! I found the Pink Power Barbie jumpsuit for $5 with headpiece and earrings. Wow! But none of this would be possible without my Patreon supporters. Thank you all so much. If you would like to consider becoming a Patreon supporter, go to roleplayriot.com. Pink Power!